Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video we will learn about Infinite Google Ads Tracking and GTM app, and we will learn how to install Google Conversion Tracking by using this app. So this app is basically designed to help you track your Google Ads conversion more accurately and manage your GTM tags more easily. First of all you need to have is your Google Ads account, and here I am on my Google Ads account, and you can see I haven't made any conversion yet, like add to cart, page view, and begin checkout, purchase. None of these conversion has been made, but we can make it with the help of our app. And this is my Google Tag Manager account. Make sure you must have account on Google Tag Manager. These are the containers I have made previously, and but I will create a new container with the help of my app, and that is recommended from my side. And first of all I will click on get started and attach my Google account. Select your here I'm selecting my Google account, and here I have to select all the scopes and click on continue. Next, here comes the setup guide. Here we have to select our Google Ads account. Next, and here comes the Google Tag Manager. I'm selecting demo shop, and here comes the GTM container. You can select an existing one or either go with a new one. If you select an existing container, it might conflict your data, so I suggest to go with a new one. Click on continue. Then next we can see, then next we have to select the pixel. You can either select a previous one or go with a new one. I will select new. Then here comes what is necessary for Google Pixel tracking. The specific events that you track will depend on your individual goals and needs. However, by tracking key events, you can gain valuable insights into how users are interacting with your website or app, and make data-driven decisions to improve your marketing and sales effort. Being an agency owner, we were well aware of which events are necessary for Google Pixel tracking, so we have set these events by default. And here you can see these are purchase tracking, add to cart, begin checkout, page view, dynamic remarketing, enhance conversions, and include taxes and shipping. So now I will click on continue. So then next you will get a additional script, and you have to copy it and click on checkout settings. In checkout, scroll down, you have to paste the script you have copied previously in the additional scripts. In order status page, paste it over here. If you have any previous script pasted over here, you can paste the new script below the previous script, right? Then click on the save button, and that's it. So here I have to reload this page. So our Google Pixel has been successfully created. You can see ads account, GTM account, everything has been appeared over here. Now let me reload my Google Ads account, and you can see all the conversions has been made. Add to cart, purchase, begin checkout, and all the conversions has been made. This is the page view, and it is inactive. It will get active when we will run ads. And here I am on my GTM. I will reload this page, and you can see here I personally recommend you all to make a new container with the help of our app. So our container is created. Let me click on it, where I have to choose this workplace. Here you can see data is getting added over here. Some of the variables are added and data layers are being displayed like this, and it will take 5 to 6 minutes to complete. And let me refresh this page. We have to wait for 5 to 6 minutes, then we will check it again. And one of the most interesting thing is that when this workplace will be created, it can be submitted as well. As you can see, changes are not published. You can see add tags and publish to make your changes live. So there is no tag that is live yet. It will be displayed over here properly. Here you can see 22 workspace changes has been added. Now let me move to variable and see the data layer. It will take time around 5 to 6 minutes and data will start appearing over here. In overview you can see now there are 32 workspace changes, and in tags you can see add to cart, begin checkout, page view, purchase, conversion linker, remarketing tags. These tags has been appeared over here, and in triggers you can see these events has been triggered. And variables, it shows the data layer. And view, now we are waiting for the changes to get submitted automatically. You can either do it manually, but we have to wait for it as it will be done automatically. Let me reload the page, and so the workspace will be disappear as it is it will be disappear as it is published and got live over here. Now next question is to check if it is working or not. So the workspace is disappeared, not found. In variants you can see it got live over here, and infinite pixel variant has been live, and you can see 22 variables are here, 4 triggers and 6 tags. So variant 2 is live, that is infinite Google Ads container. And if you want to check it's working, you can click on these 3 dots, click on preview, click on it. Here we have to paste our store URL and click on connect. Here we will perform some activity. Let me open any product. Make sure you must install the extension that is Tag Assistant Companion to check it's working or not, and if it appears it means it's connected, and click on connect. Here you can see conversion linker and page view event has been fired. These tags are fired and rest of these are not yet fired. Now I will click on add to cart, and here you can see add to cart has been fired. Now let me open any other product and add to cart, checkout. So the checkout, begin checkout is also fired, and purchase and remarketing tag is remaining. Let me make a dummy purchase over here. So here I am on the thank you page. It will work according to Shopify. Like in Shopify, thank you underscore you will disappear. After that our tag will get triggered, and you can see our most important tag, that is purchase, has been tracked over here, and remarketing tag is also tracked. Now let's check the data layer. Click on it. In data layer it will display the complete data layer according to each product. It will also show the enhanced conversions and the users data. It is getting saved in Google Tag Manager. So we have learned how to install GTM with Google Ads only with the help of few clicks, and also check it's working. So this was quite an easy option for us to adopt, and you can see. Now let's move to Google Ads account, and here you can see purchase is no recent conversion. It displays no recent conversions. If we make more conversions, then unverified status will be disappear, and once the tag is installed it will show no recent conversion, and the active status will appear when someone clicks on our sponsored product through ads link click, and will show the active status. And if the conversion tag is inactive, then it will show needs attention. and if we move our cursor to inactive, it will also display that we haven't verified your tag yet, which usually takes up to 3 hours after someone visits your page containing the tag. To help speed this up, you can visit the page to trigger the tag. So this was all about our Google Ads account. And if you are looking for a way to improve your Google Ads tracking GTM management, then I must suggest you to try our app. And as it is working perfectly, it will help you to improve your accuracy, to add more control over your data. It is easier to use, it has more features, it is a quite featureistic idea, and it has enhanced reporting and insights. Using a Google Ads tracking and GTM app on Shopify, it will help you to improve the accuracy, reliability, control, reporting, and usability of your Google Ads tracking. I hope you will enjoy the experience. Do share your feedback. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.